Imagine stepping onto a street in 2025, knowing that beneath your feet lie centuries of untold stories. What secrets would Cebu's most iconic avenue whisper if they could talk? Join me on a walking tour where the past isn't just remembered, it's alive, revealing the captivating history etched into every corner in this vibrant city. Hey guys! Welcome to the Queen City of the South, Cebu City. For today's video, ubani ko ninyo og mag-historical walking tour ta diri sa Cebu City. Ang sa paghihuwat ninyo, tara na! Ani ata karon sa Colon Street, the oldest street in the Philippines. Established in 1565 by Spanish conquistador Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, named after Cristobal Colon or Christopher Columbus. Naglungtad na kini isip isa ka agianan bisan sa wala pa ang panahon sa Kastila. It was the Spaniards who first formally named and developed the street, making it one of the oldest infrastructures in the country. It is the shortest national road in the Philippines. Across the street mo na ang Colonnade Mall, one of the first mall open in Colon. Established in 1996 by the Colon Heritage Realty Corporation. Popular destination for bargain hunters and urban adventures. Gi-renovate na ni ang building guys og nigasto kini og 20 million. Aim to modernize and upgrade the building and shopping facilities in the area. So mao na kini ang mall sa atong tuo na bahin. Nag-offer kini og diverse range of retails and services. Ug ang sulod sa mall adunay high-tech security facility. The mall's establishment is a testament to the enduring appeal of Colon Street as a center for trade and commerce in Cebu. Colonnade Mall, originally established as a cinema district. Na-close na ang sinihan so gihimo siya og mall. Makita pod nato diri ang usa sa mga karaan na store, ang Footstep Store. Doon na pod kini online shopping. Elementary and high school ari jud mi mamalit og sapatos. So kini na entrance part pa kini sa Colonnade Mall. And across the street ang bag-o na metro. Ubos sa metro adunay coffee shops and restaurants. So mao kini ang ikaduha na metro diri sa Colon Street. Beside Colonnade Mall, adunay 188 Mall, Wholesale and Retail Mall. Year's Lechon House. Naapoy Year's Lechon House diri. Across the street, hotel na siya diha guys, din na ay Watson's Pharmacy. Diri sa atong nahimutangan, makita na po nato ang University of the Visayas main campus. Napoy mga second-hand clothing diri sa ato ang tuon na bahin. Bakery, pharmacy, anian na kita sa Gaisano Main, a mother of all Gaisano stores. Ang pinakakaraan na Gaisano. Mao kini ang entrance sa mall. Across the street mao ang University of the Visayas, established in 1919 by Vicente Golias as the Visayan Institute. Andiyan nakita sa kinalasan na part sa Colon Street, makita nato ang monument. Few steps away from Colon Street, makita pod nato ang Heritage of Cebu Monument, also known as Parian Monument. A significant historical site in Barangay Parian, Cebu City, designed by national artist Eduardo Castrillo and unveiled in 2000. Ang monumento na sculptural nagpakita kini sa istorya sa Sugbo. Gikan sa panahon sa wala pa ang kolonyal hangtod sa pagkahimugso sa Pilipino na Santos. Sculptures are made from concrete, bronze, brass, and steel. We are down to our second historical tour. Mao kini ang Osmeña Boulevard, diin makita nato ang Cebu Provincial Capitol, Rizal Memorial Library and Museum. Ani apod na himutang ang Puente Osmeña Circle, constructed in 1912 to commemorate the inauguration of Osmeña Waterworks System, which brought fresh water to Cebu City. The fountain at the center of the circle symbolizes life and prosperity. The circle is named after Sergio Osmeña Sr., the first and only Cebuano President of the Philippines from 1944 to 1946. Mao kini ang road gikan sa Colon Street, part gihapon sa Osmeña Boulevard. Mo straight lang taglakaw, maabot na dayon nato ang Plaza Independencia. Mao kini ang pinaka-last na landmark sa Osmeña Boulevard. Plaza Independencia stands as a testament of Cebu's colonial past and its journey towards independence, making it a vital part of the city's cultural heritage. Plaza Independencia is not just a public park. It is a site of historical importance. Makita nato diri ang Fort San Pedro, the oldest military structure in Cebu, which now serves as a historical exhibit. Monument statues honoring significant figures such as Miguel Lopez de Legazpi and President Ramon Magsaysay. Today, Plaza Independencia serves as a vibrant public space where people gather for leisure, events, and historical reflections. Popular na spot for picnics, sightseeings, and cultural activities. Embodying the rich history and resilience of the Cebuano people. So ari na punta sa Basilica Minore del Santo Niño. Part gihapon ni sa Osmeña Boulevard. Gilabyan lang ni nato kaganiha, guys. Mao kini ang entrance sa Basilica. Also known as Basilica Minore del Santo Niño de Cebu, the oldest Catholic church in Cebu, founded in 1565. The church houses the image of the Santo Niño, the city's patron saint, that represent Jesus as the Black Holy Child. Kay diri man nagsugod ang Kristyanismo sa Cebu, so maupod kini ang pinakakaraan na church sa Pilipinas. San Agustin Church kini sa unang panahon, pero sa tuig 1565 giusab kini ni Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. Gihinganlan og Basilica Minore del Santo Niño. This day every third Sunday of January. Santo Niño embodies the essence of Cebuano identity, fostering a sense of belongings and shared faith among community. Let's move to Magellan's Cross. Maglakaw lang tag mga pila ka minuto, maabot na dayon nato. So mao kini ang Magellan's Cross gazebo. Serves as a significant religious and pilgrim site, commemorating the establishment of Christian faith in the region. The interior features a ceiling painting depicting the baptism of Raha Humabon and the planting of the cross by Ferdinand Magellan in 1521. The controversy surrounding Magellan's Cross. There are claims that the original cross was destroyed or stolen after Magellan's death. In spite of the controversy, the gazebo of Magellan's Cross is a testament to the enduring faith and historical significance of Christianity in Cebu, providing a place of pilgrimage and devotion for both locals and visitors. Nahimutang kini sa Plaza Cebu.
Dati pumapasok kami.
Few steps away from Magellan's Cross, adunay island souvenirs sa mga gustong mapalit og mga souvenirs. Hanggang dito na lamang po ang ating video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like, and share this video to your family and friends. Hanggang sa muli, salamat sa panonood. Much love from Ate Mira Vlogs.